Hello, grade 11 guitar. We're going to talk about minor tonality. So up until this point, we've done major tonality using the major circle of fifths and the minor and the major scales. So now we're just going to add a new concept and we're going to create a new set of minor tonality circles. And I'll show you how to use them. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to do a minor sharp circle. Alrighty, so same thing as the majors, you draw a circle, but instead of C at the top, you are going to put A at the top. We're still going to use that poem, Father Charles goes down and ends battle, and then we just start it again. Father Charles goes down and good. And where the poem starts and stops, we're going to put a line in the middle there. And we're going to say to ourselves, where the poem starts, we're going to put a sharp beside each note until we get to the top. Awesome. So then we're going to put a 0 on the top like that. And then we would number the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 goes on the top in brackets. So now we have a minor sharp circle. Oh, this should be a G, sorry. I was like, why does that look weird? Okay, so then for the flat circle, it's the same kind of concept. We're going to put A at the top, and then we can continue the poem. Oh, sorry. Hold on 1 second. This is all on the hub too in your guides as well. It looks like that. Alrighty. So we do the same thing and ends battle. And then we go Father Charles goes down, right? Where the poem starts, we put a line there. And remember, the flats go backwards for battle ends and down goes Charles' father. So we're going to put a flat beside every note until we get to the top. And then we're going to put our 0 at the top. And remember, the numbers have to go in the opposite direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we have a flat circle as well. So now we have a key to answer all of the minor questions. Pretty exciting. Okay, so if I was to say to you, what's the key of G minor? You would go G minor has 2 flats, B and E. If I was to say to you, what's the key of B minor? You would say 2 sharps, Father Charles. So the order of the sharps are the same. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. And the order of the flats are the same. Battle ends and down goes Charles' father. Okay, that hasn't changed. All right. And the thing that you'll notice is that if you have a major circle of fifths right next to a minor circle of fifths, you'll notice that some keys in major and minor share the same key signature. So look at this A minor. It has 0 sharps and 0 flats. What key in the major circles also has 0 sharps and 0 flats? C. C major does. Therefore, A minor is the relative minor of C. And C is the relative major of A because they share the same key signature. Okay? So you're going to get questions like this, where I give you a minor key, G sharp minor, and I'm going to ask you, please write in the key signature. So what you would do is you would look up on your circles. The key signature of G sharp minor is 5 sharps. So you would put Father Charles goes down and 5 sharps. Father Charles goes down and. That is the key signature of G sharp minor. And if you look at your major circles, it shares that same key of 5 sharps with B major. Okay, let's try another one. What is the key signature of A minor? So we check our circles. Oh, A minor has 0 sharps and 0 flats. So we're actually going to get a mark for leaving a question blank because it has 0 sharps and 0 flats. Good job. Now this question's a little different. I want you to write out an F sharp minor scale that's going to ascend in whole notes. So what you would do is you would figure out the key signature for F sharp minor, which is 3 sharps. Father Charles goes. The key we're in is our starting note, and we want whole notes. So we'd start F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. We'd go all the way from F to F in whole notes. Ascending means you're going up. And now we have an F sharp minor scale ascending in whole notes. So you're going to get questions on your worksheets where I'm going to ask you for a specific minor key signature, and then I'm going to ask you to write out some minor scales. Just make sure you read the question so you know what type of notes to use and whether I want you to use a key signature or accidentals. Remember, the guitar only plays in the treble clef, so if you see any of those other weird clefs like the alto clef or the bass clef, you can change it to treble clef. Okay? All right, have a good day. Email me if you have any questions. jmgrant@hwtsb.on.ca. I forgot my email address for a second. Bye-bye.